Hey everybody, this is cabin 7341. This is a Grand Terrace Corner Suite in the aft of the ship. Love the woodworking here as you come in. This opens up to the living room. As you can see, the sofa here, a little coffee table, nice artwork, and the curtains. Love it. Over here is your TV. There's a mini fridge there. European and US power only. We'll go take a look at the balcony. We'll do that right now. All right, huge balcony here at the back of the ship. It's not incredibly deep, but it's really long. And since it's a corner suite, it does wrap all the way around the corner here. We can see amazing views. It's all yours. Love it. As we get into the bedroom, you have a TV that is right here at the foot of the bed, as well as a little cabinet there. You have let's turn on some lights maybe. There we go. Turn on all the lights. We have our bed, which is king. As you see, it can be two twins as well. There's plenty of power in here. 2 US on that side, 2 US on that side. Also, you have a USB. Love the headboard here. There is a small walk-in closet, right? I mean, for a cruise ship, I guess a walk-in closet shouldn't be called small. It's just a walk-in closet. Right? Got your Margaritaville, your robes there. Safe as well. Here's a little dressing area, makeup area, doing your hair, whatever. I guess you could call it a dressing area. That may be more hair and makeup. And then we get to the bathroom. This is a suite, so you have his and her sinks. Love the granite countertops in here. All the inlaid tile work. 6 shelves, makeup mirror. There's power up top. You have a shub tower combo, right? The toilet itself is in a great place for someone my height, 6'4", as well as plenty of width for someone who might be on the fluffy side. But that tub, because it's going to be a little bit raised, it's going to be a little bit tighter up there. I wouldn't want to be too much taller than me because that tub is raised a little bit higher than where I'm standing. If I turn it around, you can see where I'm standing. There is room here for sure, but in that tub, there'd be a lot less room. So there you go. There is your Grand Suite. It's your Grand Terrace Corner Suite here in the aft of the ship. Let us know what you think. Ciao.